Hello guys, my name is Kobe and welcome back to Kaetech Digital. If you're a web designer, you know how important it is to have the right tools to make your work faster, easier, and more professional. In today's video, I'm sharing with you 10 must-have tools that every web designer should be using in 2025. So let's dive right in. Alright, so the first one that we're going to talk about is what we call Relume.io. Relume.io. Now, Relume.io is an AI powered tool that helps you quickly generate wireframes and sitemaps for your website. If you want to speed up your website planning process, this is a game changer tool that you have to use. So if you come over here, all what you need to do is to just register or start for free over here, and then you can be able to quickly create wireframes and sitemaps using this particular tool called Relume.io. Now, this is a very powerful tool that I use mostly on most of my websites that I create when I want to quickly generate something so I can be able to start with. So Relume is our number one tool that you must have. Now, the second one is the most popular, Figma. Okay, Figma. Now, Figma is also hands down the best tool for UI UX design. Now, whether you are designing websites, mobile apps, or prototypes, Figma's collaborative features make it top-notch tools or top-notch choice for designers and developers. So Figma is one of the best tools that you can be able to use to start your design process. So whether you are UX UI designer, whether you're a web designer, whether you create mobile apps, whether you want to create websites, Figma helps you to be able to design the app or the website, and then you can be able to use different tools to be able to design, get your design, the development process done. Okay, so Figma is our number two tool that every web designer should be using. Now, the next tool that we will talk about is the most popular, WordPress. Now, WordPress is an open source platform where everybody who doesn't know how to code can be able to create websites so easily. So if you build websites, you probably already know WordPress, and it powers over 40% of websites on the internet and offers endless customization with themes, plugins, and page builders like Elementor. So you can use WordPress to build any kind of website that you want without any hassle. So themes and plugins helps you to get your website done within some few minutes. So WordPress is our number three. Now, if you need an AI powered tool to be able to create a complete website for you, then this particular one over here called Zipwp is your number one tool to go for. So whether you want to create an e-commerce website, a business website, or any kind of website, Zipwp with their AI powered platform helps you to be able to create any kind of website so easily. So if you want to set up a WordPress website in minutes, Zipwp is the tool for you. It uses AI to generate a complete WordPress site based on your requirements. So all what you need to do is to set up some few requirements for it. Tell the the tool that you are creating a website for this business or for that business. Give a brief description about the business, and they will create a website for you in minutes. And that is Zipwp. Okay, so the number 5 tool on the blog right now is what we call Flaticon. Flaticon. Now, Flaticon.com helps you to be able to get icons and stickers for your website. So if you are creating website and you need icons and stickers, Flaticon is your tool, that your website or the web app that you have to go over there to get any kind of icons over here. All what you need to do is to search for the icon and download for free a PNG icon, and you'll be able to download for free and use in your website. So icons play a huge role in web design. Flaticon gives you access to thousands of free and premium icons to enhance your design. Now, our number 6 tool that we want to talk about is pexels.com. Now, if you're a web designer, you might know Pexels. A Pexel is one of the best free stock photos platform that you can be able to get. So every designer needs access to great visuals. Pexels.com offers high quality free stock images for your project. So any project that you are seeking to create, when you come over here, you will be able to get stunning images for that particular project. Alright guys, so another amazing free stock photo platform is what we call Unsplash. Now you need this particular platform over here or website over here to help you also get free images. Now when you come to Pexels, there are some images you not get over here, but there are some images you will get at Unsplash over here, and you need this platform because they also have stunning images that you will be able to use in any project that you're looking for. So unsplash.com is another fantastic resource for free stock images. Whether you need lifestyle, tech, or business related images, you find top-notch visuals over here, and that is unsplash.com. Now the next one that we also want to talk about is another great tool called Remove.bg. Now if you have if you want to create amazing websites, sometimes you need to remove backgrounds and other stuff from images. So let's say you download images from here and you just want to remove the background. You bring it over here to Remove.bg, and it will help you remove the background for you so that you can be able to use on your website. So if you need to remove a background from an image in seconds, Remove.bg is the tool that does it for you with just one click. It doesn't require you to use any Photoshop. It doesn't require you to use any other tool. Just upload your image over here and you can be able to remove all the background in just some few seconds, and that is Remove.bg. Now another great tool which I know by now everybody is using is ChatGPT. Now if you want to create great content for your website or any website project, there might be some clients that gives you, oh, my business is this. They won't give you anything like about page. They won't give you anything. They just want you to create content for them and then use on your website. Now when you come over here, just give the description and then tell ChatGPT that you want them to create, you want it to create an about page for this particular kind of business. Just give a description for the business, and ChatGPT will be able to give you a nice about page content, a nice services page content, every page content that you want. They will be able to give you, and then you can use it to create your website. So ChatGPT is more than just a chatbot. So it helps web designers generate ideas, write website copy, debug code, and even provide creative inspiration. And that is what ChatGPT, which is our number 9 on this particular web design tools that we are talking about. And the last one that we also want to talk about is Canva. Canva is perfect for creating social media graphics, website banners, and presentations. Even if you are not a pro designer, you can create stunning visuals in minutes. So if you want to create nice hero sections, sections for your website, and you need a nice design and inspiration, come to Canva. Okay, come over here, just search for website, and then you can be able to get more inspirations and nice backgrounds and nice banners, website banners that you can be able to use on your website. So this is the 10 must have tools that every web designer should be able to be using now, as at now in 2025. So 10 powerful tools that every web designer should be using in 2025. Which one is your favorite? Please let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome web design content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. My name is Kobe. Bye bye.